Hello and welcome to Parents Guide. Let's go through a few sight words and sentences using them. The, a, my, he, she, and, can, was, with, into, that, boy. Now let's read a few sentences. It is my pet hen. It is my pet hen. A lad cut the log. A lad cut the log. The bus is big. The bus is big. He has a pet dog. He has a pet dog. A cat had a nap on a mat. A cat had a nap on a mat. She can hop. She can hop. It is a fat rat. It is a fat rat. A bun is on the pan. A bun is on the pan. A boy hit the dog. A boy hit the dog. The dog is sad. A boy hit the dog. The dog is sad. A bug is in the jug. A bug is in the jug. A cub is in the tub. A cub is in the tub. A lad ran to the bus. A lad ran to the bus. A bud is in the mud. A bud is in the mud. A pup got into the cup and it was fun. A pup got into the cup and it was fun. It is my bag. It is my bag. The bag has a tag. It is my bag. The bag has a tag. Bob. The cock has a pot. Bob the cock has a pot. A cat is on a mat. A cat is on a mat. It is a big pig with a wig. It is a big pig with a wig. The fat cat has a cap. The fat cat has a cap. The fat cat with a cap is on a mat. The fat cat with a cap is on a mat. Dud is a bug that sat on a rug. Dud is a bug that sat on a rug.